All right, it's me again, ready to make you another video to kind of show you the process of converting graphs from one form to another. So for this very first example, we're going to be using a position versus time graph, and we're going to convert that to a velocity versus time graph. And it's super easy because you remember what I said, it's all about the slope. Okay, it's all about that slope. No trouble. All right. Okay. So here's what we do. We're going to imagine that this graph has been broken into several segments. Basically, every time a slope changes, we're going to get a new segment. So what I'm going to do is basically just kind of break it, and then we're going to imagine as if that line that I broke it with goes all the way down to the next graph at the same spot. So like 2 seconds and then also 2 seconds. Okay? Same thing at 6 seconds, where it changed again. The slope changed there, and we're going to match it back up to the graph underneath. Same thing, same thing. Having fun yet? Hope so. Okay. Still going, still going. This graph's got a lot of segments, so we're going to do this a lot of times. Okay, sound effects have been included for your viewing pleasure. Okay. All right, so here we go. We have broken that graph into, I don't even know how many segments because I don't feel like counting them right now, but there's a lot nonetheless. All right, so here's what we do. We're going to take each segment and we're going to find the slope of that segment, and then once we get to that slope, it's going to become the graph underneath. Because remember, like I've preached all along, it's all about that slope, It's no trouble. All right, all right. Okay. So here we go. This first line right here, I'm going to find the slope. So it looks like my rise is 2, my run is 2, so my slope is going to be 1. Okay. So what I'm going to come down then is I'm going to take that number 1 and I'm going to put a line at 1 over to the 2 second line. So what I've just done basically is I've taken that slope and I've converted it to the velocity graph right there. Okay. And I'm going to do that exact same process for every single line that you see here. We're going to find the slope, and we're going to graph it underneath. Okay? So it looks like this time my rise is 2, my run is 4. So 2 over 4 equals 0.5. I come over to 0.5, draw my line there. Okay? Some people like to connect the lines, but you don't have to. You can leave it exactly like it is, but I'm just going to make it connected because it looks a little prettier that way. Speaking of prettier, let's get some color on this bad boy here. Where the mountain is, let's do some blue. All right. So we're going to do some blue lines here. All right. It's pretty. It's pretty. All right. Now we come to the next little segment. Oh, no slope there. Well, that makes it easier. So 0 slope becomes a 0 over here. And we can connect them or not. But I'm going to go ahead and connect them. Okay. Next line. What's going on right here? Well, it looks like it has a negative slope. Why do I know it's a negative slope? Because, well, the line has a negative slope. It doesn't get any clearer than that, I suppose. So what is the slope of this line? Well, I start at 4 and I come down to negative 4. So negative 4 minus 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, too many, 4. Or in other words, 12 minus 8. Okay, so negative 4 minus 4 gives me negative 8 over 4 becomes negative 2. So I'm going to come down over here to negative 2. Do my slope. And I'm going to connect them because I feel like it. Right? Man, we're rocking and rolling now. We're almost done with this graph. Hey, looky us. We got another 0 slope again. Don't have to do any hard math. I like those zeros. We're going to do a line on 0. Right? I'm going to connect them. And we're going to just continue this process as we kind of finish out this little graph here. My slope here, well, my rise is 2. My run is 2. Hey, my slope is, well, 2 over 2 or 1. So I'm going to come up to 1 right here and do it just like that. Rocking and rolling now, aren't we? Okay, next line. All right, let's see what our rise is. Our rise is 1, 2, 3, 4. and our run is 1, 2. So 4 over 2, that becomes a slope of 2. And I'm going to come over here and do my graph at 2, and then connect it. All right, looking good so far. Hey, holy moly, we got another 0. Fortune smiles upon us. So we're going to put another 0 line there, and we're going to put it just like that. All right. And there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. We have taken that graph and we have converted it easy as pie. All right. Next video, we'll show you how to convert from a velocity to a position graph. Stay tuned.